Kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus comes in variety of colors. The common colors are Aura Glow, Aura White and Aura Black. There is also an Aura Blue color just for the Note 10 Plus variant, and there is an Aura Pink and Aura Red color just for the Galaxy Note 10 variant. But this is not as easy as it sounds, as every country or region will get different color options apart from the main colors. Now some colors will be available only in certain countries, as this was the case with Galaxy S10 and also the Galaxy S9 before. I live in UAE, and let's talk about what colors of Note 10 and Note 10 Plus are coming to this region. Now as per the official website of Samsung UAE, in this region we will be having unfortunately just 3 color options for both Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. So if you're planning to buy a Galaxy Note 10 and are not sure which colors to choose from, this is the right video for you. Now let's start with the Aura Black color. It's a classic black color with shades of grey, and on the sides also it has same color, making it look more uniform and classic. You cannot go wrong with this color. Also, I have to mention that the black color comes with the black S Pen, making it a perfect match. The second one is Aura Glow. It's a new color and I must say it looks stunning and different. It showcases a rainbow of colors depending on how the light hits on it. When you turn the phone around, it keeps changing the color, which is really cool. It comes with a blue S Pen, which is a good contrast, and it does match with the color of the smartphone. Aura White. As the name suggests, it's a plain solid white color, or you can say it's a bit of off-white, but certainly not beige. It does look clean and premium. The white color comes with a white S Pen as a perfect match. Now unfortunately in this region at the launch time there are only these 3 colors available. Hopefully Samsung will launch more colors soon in this region. So in this region we will not be getting the Aura Blue, Aura Pink and Aura Red color. So which color you like the most? Kindly let me know. There is a poll running here. You can click over here and choose your best color. Also I have made a playlist of video on Galaxy Note 10. Kindly click here to see that. Now don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you like the video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.